Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at cleaning or changing the air filter on your HY1000Si inverter generator. So the air filter is located underneath this panel here, and to remove it, using the screwdriver that was provided with your machine, you simply undo the screw, let it come out, and we can remove the outer cover. Now the air filter is located in this black box here. You'll see a little plastic tab on the top of the air filter. We need to push this tab down while pulling the outer part of the air filter outwards from the generator. As you can see, the outer cover is coming away, and now we can remove the outer cover. So this reveals the sponge air filter here, and you can simply pull it out from the generator. Replacement air filters for this machine are available from our parts department. So to clean the air filter, remove it from the machine. You can blow it out with compressed air if it's very badly loaded with dust, and then it can be washed out in dishwashing detergent until the fluids coming from it are clean, then squeezed out until it's dry and left to dry so that it's thoroughly dry, perhaps put on a radiator overnight. Once that is done, a few drops of the engine oil, you can squeeze them into the filter so that it's spread evenly, and that would be the filter cleaned, ready for use again. If this outer cover or this area of the air filter here, housing, is dirty, probably best to wipe it out with a damp cloth. And again, the same with this, the outer cover, that can be wiped out so that all traces of dirt and dust are removed. So again, once it's thoroughly dry, you'll see a tab on the bottom of the box here, which fits in a slot. So you fit that into the slot first, hinge it back up into position, and then push it back at the top over the tab until the tab pops out as it was before. So this done, we can refit the door. Again, two tabs at the bottom which fit in these holes. Locate the bottom, hinge it up into position, and retighten the screw. And there we are. That's the air filter cleaned or changed. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thanks for watching.